Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of 3x cubed minus 5y to the 5th power minus 7z to the 7th power in parentheses squared. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for trinomial square a plus b plus c in parentheses squared. The trinomial 3x cubed minus 5y to the 5th power minus 7z to the 7th power, in parentheses squared, can also be written as 3x cubed plus negative 5y to the 5th power, in parentheses, plus negative 7z to the 7th power, in parentheses, and in square parentheses squared. The term 3x cubed corresponds to the a in the formula for trinomial square. The term negative 5y to the 5th power corresponds to the b, and respectively negative 7z to the 7th power corresponds to the c in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to 3x cubed in parentheses squared plus negative 5y to the 5th power in parentheses squared plus negative 7z to the 7th power in parentheses squared plus 2 times 3x cubed multiplied by negative 5y to the 5th power plus 3x cubed multiplied by negative 7z to the 7th power plus 2 times negative 5y to the 5th power multiplied by negative 7z to the 7th power. When I simplify further, I get that 3x cubed minus 5y to the 5th power minus 7z to the 7th power in parentheses squared equals to 9x to the 6th power plus 25y to the 10th power plus 49z to the 14th power minus 2 times 3 times 5 is 30 x cubed y to the 5th power. 2 times 3 times negative 7 is minus 42 x cubed z to the 7th power. Then I have 2 times negative 5, which is negative 10, multiplied by negative 7 is plus 70 y to the 5th z to the 7th power. This polynomial cannot be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.